After 6 long years of silence, it's finally here. The legend returns. A rolling sculpture. A mechanical masterpiece. A car that defies the digital age. The Tomaso P72 is ready for the road. And it's absolutely breathtaking. This is not just another supercar. This is a love letter to motorsport history. A tribute to purity, elegance, and raw driving passion. Originally unveiled in 2019 at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, the Tomaso P72 stole the spotlight and then disappeared. No updates, no teasers, just 6 years of silence. Until now. Meet the final production version. And no, they didn't change much. And that's a very good thing. The P72's design is directly inspired by the 1965 de Tomaso P70, a collaboration between Alejandro de Tomaso and the legendary Carroll Shelby. Every curve, every contour, is dripping with retro-futuristic perfection. But don't let the vintage vibes fool you. Underneath this sculpted body lies some of the most advanced craftsmanship in the world. The chassis? A full carbon fiber monocoque made from a single continuous weave. No welding, no bonding. De Tomaso calls it a new benchmark for structural purity. And they're not wrong. Step inside and you're stepping back in time in the best way possible. No screens, no touch panels, no distractions. Just milled aluminum, exposed carbon fiber, and hand-stitched white leather. Rose gold accents grace the dash, the shift linkage, and even the wheels. And yes, it's manual. A 6-speed gearbox with an exposed shifter mechanism that looks like a piece of jewelry designed to make you feel every gear change. At the heart of the P72 is a supercharged 5.0-liter V8, hand-built and tuned by Roush Performance. Derived from Ford's Coyote engine, this beast produces 700 horsepower and 604 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels only and there are no drive modes. This car was not made for digital gimmicks. It was made for drivers. Underneath, you get a motorsport-grade pushrod suspension system with manually adjustable dampers. You want control? You've got it. And here's the kicker, only 72 units will ever be built. Each one tailored to its owner. Completely bespoke. And with a reported price tag of around $1.78 million, all slots were sold out before production even began. The Tomaso P72 isn't here to chase lap times or dominate drag strips. It's here to remind us what driving used to feel like, what it should feel like, mechanical soul, timeless beauty, and a connection between man and machine that most modern cars have long forgotten. This is the rebirth of a legend. This is the Tomaso P72. Subscribe to Curious Corner for more rare machines, forgotten legends, and the stories behind the world's most fascinating creations.